Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien tankless water heater humming noise, diagnose and quiet the sound. Fix 1 is check the normal operating sound. Turn on a hot water faucet and listen to the heater. A soft humming from the fan or burner is usually normal during operation. If the humming is loud, constant or continuous after the water is turned off. Second one is tighten loose panels or screws. Turn off the water heater and unplug it or switch off the breaker. Check the front cover and mounting screws for looseness. Tighten any loose screws with a screwdriver. Then turn the heater back on and check if the humming has stopped. Third one is inspect the fan and air intake. Turn off the power at the heater, then check the air intake and exhaust vent from dust, leaves or debris. Remove any obstruction carefully, then restore power and test the heater again. Fourth one is restart the water heater. Turn off the heater using the power button, then wait for about 30 seconds. Turn the heater back on, then run hot water and check whether the humming noise has stopped. Fifth one is flush the heat exchanger. Turn off the heater and close the water supply valve, then connect a flushing pump and hoses to the service valve. Then circulate white vinegar or a descaling solution through the heater for about 45 to 60 minutes. Flush with clean water, reconnect everything and restart the heater. Thanks for watching.